Welcome to Nava Disha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down GitHub MCP Server. It's an important idea in MCP. So, what is GitHub MCP Server? The GitHub MCP Server lets AI create issues, pull requests, and manage code repositories. It's one of the core ideas in MCP. Here are the key things to know about GitHub MCP Server. First, remote GitHub access via OAuth. Also, tools, create_issue, create_PR, comment, search_repos. Another key point, resources, repo files, issues, PRs. On top of that, popular for AI-powered GitHub workflows. Finally, official plus community versions available. And that's GitHub MCP Server in simple terms. Come back for another MCP concept tomorrow.